For those of you that need a freight broker authority in the USA and don't know where to start, you've found the place. We offer the processing for your freight broker authority, including all the pieces that you would need to get it done. We offer MC and DOT applications, BOC3 filing on your behalf, and in addition to that, the UCR filing. That cost will run you $450. In addition to that, we also provide surety bond and assistance in getting your surety bond. We offer that usually in a price range of $3,500 and $4,000, which is what it would cost. It's a percentage of the $75,000 bond that you need to carry to be a compliant freight broker in the USA. The reason we give a range of $3,500 to $4,000 is because it is dependent on your personal credit score that will give you then what that price would look like for that bond. That is a deterrent for a lot of people in the industry. They're like, oh my God, $75,000, but you're paying $3,500 to $4,000 as a premium to have that $75,000 surety bond. We offer very good pricing, comparatively speaking, to competitors. So you can definitely reach out to us if you're looking even to switch over to a better bond provider. You can reach out to us for that. So like I said, $3,500 to $4,000 for that specific part. In addition to that, what we do is we have ongoing support to get that all filed for you. And in addition to that, we also apply and file your EIN for you. In addition to that, those processing fees that would need to be completed, we do that under a service fee of $678 all in. So that would be the price that we charge to get all that filed for you and for you to be in compliance with the FMCSA and the US DOT. And so if you are interested, you can reach out to me, just comment below, let me know that you're interested, and I can give you all the information necessary for you to start your journey in becoming your own freight broker and having your own authority. If you have any further questions, you can reach out to me anytime. This is something we've been doing for a very long time. It is our bread and butter. It's what we are good at in terms of from the assistance side of things, getting you through the compliance part and the early stages of starting your freight brokerage. So like I said, if you are interested, reach out. And so if anybody out there is charging you $8,000, $9,000, $10,000 to get this completed, that is inaccurate. You do not need to be charged that much to get your freight brokerage going. So like I said, your MCDOT, your BOC3 filing, and your UCR, that's going to run you $450 all in. Then you're going to have your surety bond that we offer between $3,500 and $4,000. That rate varies depending on your personal credit. Plus your EIN, and our service fee to get all that in a package completed for you is $678. So if you want more info, or you want to sign up, or you want us to get all that stuff going for you, reach out and we'll go from there. Hit the like button, comment, share, subscribe, and trying to spread the word about the industry. I'm trying to spread awareness of the industry, logistics industry in general, and kind of focus in on how to grow your business the proper way, the legitimate way. It's not a get rich overnight scheme, but it can definitely change your life like it's changed my life. So again, reach out if you want to talk. I'm always here. So again, thank you very much, and have a great afternoon. Cheers.